Simple steps to monetize your channel and make money. To earn money from YouTube videos, you can follow these simple steps. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. Sign into your Google account and go to YouTube. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Let's say you choose the name My Cooking Channel for your YouTube channel. Step 2. Enable monetization. In YouTube Studio, navigate to the Monetization section. Click on Start and follow the instructions to set up an AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. This will enable monetization on your channel, allowing you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Step 3. Meet YouTube Partner Program requirements. To be eligible for monetization, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Let's say you focus on creating cooking tutorials and recipe videos to attract viewers and grow your subscriber base. Step 4. Create engaging and valuable content. Produce high-quality videos that engage your target audience. For example, you can create a video titled Quick and Easy Pasta Recipe, where you demonstrate how to prepare a delicious pasta dish with step-by-step instructions and useful tips. Step 5. Optimize your videos for search. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. For example, in the video description for your pasta recipe, include keywords like quick pasta recipe, easy pasta dish, and cooking tutorial. Step 6. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. Embed your videos on your website or blog and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating a community around your content. Step 7. Explore different revenue streams. In addition to AdSense revenue, you can explore other monetization options. For example, you can offer channel memberships where viewers can subscribe for exclusive content and perks. You can also set up a merchandise shelf to sell branded products related to your cooking channel. Step 8. Track and analyze performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Analyze data such as watch time, audience retention, and demographics to understand your viewers' preferences. For example, you can use YouTube Analytics to identify which types of recipes are most popular among your audience. Simple steps to monetize your channel and make money. To earn money from YouTube videos, you can follow these simple steps. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. Sign into your Google account and go to YouTube.